Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate chip cookie bars. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 2 cups plus 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of kosher salt, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, 12 tablespoons of butter, and you want that unsalted, and you want to melt it and then cool it to room temperature. So I already did that in a bowl here. 1 cup of a light brown packed sugar, a half a cup of regular sugar, 1 large egg, 1 large egg yolk, so I'm just going to remove the white from this one, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, and then 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and then more for sprinkling over the top. So I'm just going to use this bag, and it is 12 ounces. I think that should be plenty. And then you are going to need a 9 by 13 baking dish, and we are going to line that with either parchment paper or heavy-duty foil, and then spray it with cooking spray just for easy removal. And then let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 325. Alright, so in a medium bowl, we're going to whisk together our flour, salt, and baking soda, and then just set that to the side and get out a large bowl. In our large bowl, we're going to whisk together our melted butter, brown sugar, and our white sugar until they are combined. Alright, that's mixed together. So next I added in my egg yolk, and my vanilla extract, and we're just going to go ahead and mix that together as well until it's combined. Alright, that looks perfect. So now we are going to just add in a little of our dry ingredients at a time with a rubber spatula, just folding it in. You do not want to overmix it. When we're about halfway through, we're going to add our chocolate chips. And then just continue to add the rest of the flour mixture. Alright, my dough looks pretty good to me. I did use my hands at the end just so I could really incorporate everything in there. And this is a very thick dough. So next we are going to press this evenly into our pan using a spatula and your fingertips. Alright, my dough is nice and pressed in there, and I just used my hands and did it. It was the easiest way, and it's not really sticky. The recipe says it will be really sticky, but mine wasn't. So now I am going to just go ahead and pour over the rest of my mini chocolate chips, which I didn't even tell you that I got mini chocolate chips because the recipe doesn't call for that, but I accidentally got those. So I'm going to put those on there and gently press them into the top. Alright, look at all those chocolate chips. Yum. So I'm going to bake this at 325 for 23 minutes or so until the top is light golden brown and slightly firm to the touch. So you do not want to over bake these because you want them to be chewy. Alright, my cookie bars are all cooled off. So now I removed it from the pan, and now I'm just going to cut these into as little or as big bars as you want. Alright, these are all cut into bars, and now I'm going to see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester!
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay.
They're really
That is not for Mom. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Bye!